I think it's still good morning. Very good morning to all of you. And thank you, CII, for inviting me to this session. Big thanks to, once again, our good friend Chakravarti Garu for leading this fabulous and fantastic program. The reason of these two objectives are, I think, today when we sit in this forum, I think it is very apt to look at the theme of the day, which is Summit for Economic Growth. And I think that's what we heard from all the speakers before me, where the country is poised towards the economic growth. I felt today I should also talk to you about one of the very important and major initiative taken by Government of India. Fortunately, I am part of the committee which is driving this initiative. And I'll spend about 2 minutes to talk to you about this and why it is relevant for today's theme and why the Indian pharmaceutical industry can take the best advantage of the new policy which came up from Government of India. I'm sure most of you heard from Honorable Prime Minister on the Red Fort talking about BioE3 policy, which is nothing but biotechnology for economy, environment, and employment. That is the policy which, under the ambit of Department of Biotechnology, Government of India has initiated that. This is a very unique policy which came up. Reason why I used unique is because it has got the elements of the entire ecosystem to come together. It is not just the government, it is not just the academia, it is not just the research institutes, it is not just the startups. This policy is helping the entire ecosystem to come together. So that's the beauty of this policy, and the policy is going to drive the sustainable biomanufacturing in the country. That's the first important initiative. It's also revolving around the green economy. That's what the theme of the day today is, sustainable economic growth. More importantly, it is actually helping innovation. That's everything I think everyone in the room is really looking forward. And of course, in terms of bringing the ecosystem together. And this is one important policy which is helping the industry at large, making all the ecosystem players to kind of use this platform. It is actually revolving around 6 thematic areas. Fortunately, life sciences is one of them, because we all know that the projections for the Indian biotech industry is going to be about $300 billion by 2030. Towards that, I think this policy is going to be one of the important platforms towards the goal which industry has taken for itself. With that, we are going to see the bio-manufacturing facilities, bio-foundries, bio-AI hubs in the country in the next couple of months. With that, what we have been talking about, the importance of artificial intelligence, importance of machine learning, driving the innovation for the biotechnology is really taking its shape. And glad that it is not just limiting to only one part of the ecosystem, but the central government itself driving this initiative is actually a blessing for the Indian pharmaceutical industry, more importantly, the biotechnology industry. So with that, I'm sure I know we're running late, but I would be more than happy to share with you more details of that, because this is definitely one of those path-breaking policies which government has actually brought up, and most of us are going to be beneficiaries of this policy. And a lot of governments, lot of academic institutes, lot of research institutes, and many startups have joined this kind of momentum of this BioE3, and more we'll be seeing in a couple of years, such hubs, which is going to be a platform for all of us, the industry. It is not limiting to any specific individuals, any specific ecosystem players, but it is going to be available for everyone to go and leverage that. Because today, I think what is limiting from us from innovation is only limit to that access. I think you heard from everyone that each of the enabling systems are helping the innovation at a larger play. And now glad that even the government of India is also coming in and playing that role. So with that, I think we are well set for the larger dream of the Vikasit Bharat, or the Make in India as the theme which we are all looking towards. And I'm sure that some of these policies will help each one of us in a larger way, and make us a little more stronger in this space going forward. With that, again, thank you all for the time, and thank you once again.